A narrator, want to be rich, but don't want to cut out coffee or live like a monk. Ramit Sethi's I Will Teach You to Be Rich is not about penny pinching. It's about creating a financial system that lets you spend on what you love while building wealth effortlessly. If you've been struggling with money, this book might just change your life. Stick around as I break down the key lessons. 1. The Psychology of Money Narrator. Most of us have limiting beliefs about money. We think, I'll start saving when I make more money. Or investing is too risky. But the truth is, getting rich is not about how much you make. It's about how you manage your money. Sethi says that instead of obsessing over skipping lattes, you should focus on big wins, negotiating your salary, investing early, and automating your savings. That's where real wealth comes from. 2. Step-by-step money system. Narrator. Ramit breaks down a simple, automated financial system that works like magic. Here's how it looks. Step 1. Kill your debt. Pay off credit cards and high-interest loans. ASAP. Step 2. Set up the right accounts. Open a no-fee checking account, a high-yield savings account, and investment accounts like a Roth IRA or 401k. Step 3. Automate everything. Your paycheck should automatically split into savings, investments, and spending money, so you never worry about budgeting again. Narrator. With automation, you don't have to think about saving, it just happens in the background. This is how you build wealth on autopilot. 3. The power of investing, early. Narrator. Want to get rich without working extra hours? That's where investing comes in. The earlier you start, the more your money grows through compound interest. Example, if you invest just $100 a month starting at 25, you could have over $500,000 by retirement. But if you wait until 35, you'll have half as much. Time is your biggest advantage. How to invest? Start with low-cost index funds like S&P 500 funds. Use employer 401k and Roth IRA accounts for tax benefits. Invest automatically every month. Don't try to time the market. 4. Spend guilt-free on what you love. Narrator. Most personal finance books tell you to cut expenses, but Ramit flips the script. He teaches conscious spending, which means spending more on things you love and cutting out what you don't care about. Example. Love traveling? Budget for it. Don't care about designer clothes? Skip them. Focus on spending money with intention, not guilt. Pro tip. Use a 60-20-20 system. 60% of income. =, fixed costs. Rent, bills, essentials. 20% =, investments and savings. 20% =, guilt-free spending. Narrator. This way, you're saving money while still enjoying life. 5. Negotiate like a pro narrator. Most people never negotiate their salary, but a single $5,000 raise can add over $1 million to your lifetime earnings. Ramit teaches you how to negotiate everything from salaries to credit card fees and even rent. How to negotiate salary. Research your market salary using websites like Glassdoor. Come prepared with proof of your value. Achievement skills. Ask for more than what you expect. You can always settle lower. How to lower credit card fees. Call your bank and say, I've been a loyal customer for years. Can you lower my interest rate or waive fees? You'd be surprised how often they say yes. Narrator. Learning to negotiate just once can save you thousands of dollars every year. Final thoughts and takeaway. Narrator. So what's the biggest lesson from I Will Teach You to Be Rich? Getting rich isn't about restriction. It's about creating a system where your money works for you. Automate your finances so you never worry about money. Invest early and consistently. Compound growth is your best friend. Spend on what makes you happy and cut out what doesn't. Negotiate everything. You're leaving money on the table if you don't. Narrator. This book isn't just about theory, it's about taking action. So what's one financial change you are going to make starting today? Drop a comment below. Final call to action. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Let's build wealth together without giving up what we love. Narrator, see you in the next video.